They're still on road 4.
What'd you say?
They're still on road 4. We're getting pictures and videotapes. All right.
I'm going to the mouth of road 4.
Oh, all right. Hey, Alex is going to the mouth of road 4.
Hey, Will.
You're the only medic. Will, smile for YouTube. Remove kebab. Shout out to all my Serbians out there on YouTube. Remove kebab for us.
Alright, y'all ready to move up?
Yep.
We is right here.
3, 2, 1, go.
I should really not be filming with my phone. So ghetto. But oh well.
Hey, you guys know, and we know there's a big group of us, so be ready.
Cross it up. Jordan. Wait, right, cover that. Go behind it.
Inform the players around you, Austin. We've got a ref coming down road 4.
Ref coming up.
We can't right now. There's some guys. There's some guys shooting, so it's gonna be hard. Hey, watch for the ref.
Yeah. Hey, move. Let me get a picture of this guy. I love that. Oh, it's all good, man.
Austin, make sure they're calling their hits if they got shot too, alright?
Gotcha. They're getting medic. All right. Medic's right near us, so that's why they're getting back in. All right, gotcha. Well, I'm watching the medic right now. Walk up to the... It's gonna be pretty hard right now, but I'll check it. I'll check in like 5 minutes once they stop shooting. How about if give me like a minute and I'll check once they stop shooting. They're moving right now.
He's in the brush on the left, I know that. In the brush on the left?
So time, over.
I can't check the time right now. I'll get it in a few minutes.
Roger that.
Hey, right by you.
Well, I'm not getting shot.
cutting weeds.
Stay behind me and I'll hit you.
He's dead.
You dead?
I'm no tape. He's shooting at me.
3? Oh, okay.
Austin, was the medic just shot?
Negative. Medic is still in. Nick, watch the medic.
You got 3
Yes.
down there.
Watch that side.
Face the hill. Ready, 3?
John, cut through that. Cut through that.
1.
Bomb is moving up. I repeat, the bomb is moving up.
Hi, buddy.
What was that?
Sit, sit.
Watch our right side.
Put that video on the page or what?
Yeah, it's going on page and YouTube.
Both of them? And YouTube, cool.
He's taking pictures. I got some pictures.
Out
So
of
you got
bounds?
pictures? With mine blurred?
No.
That's cool. Hey, you're like in the middle of stomp.
Yeah.
Not out of bounds.
Yeah, you can go on there. Don't worry.
Do you have 2 AK mags taped
You gotta go
together?
direct.
Please check the time on the bomb. I don't know how
I'm
much
low,
time
too.
is left since
You carry the bomb if you're ready.
Roger, I gotta check right now. Let me check the time on the bomb.
order them. Tell them to open the bomb and look at the time.
I got it right now. 12 minutes. Repeat, 12 minutes.
What happens if it explodes in my hand?
It doesn't explode at all.
Well, I mean, like, theoretically explodes. The timer goes off in my hand.
Well, I guess you're dead.
Okay. Our team doesn't lose?
Well, which if no team gets it to the other, if the bomb isn't at either team's base by the time it goes off, neither of you guys win. So
Y'all already move up? We need at least 2 over here.
12 minutes. Repeat that. I repeat, 12 minutes.
Roger that.
Hey, y'all ready? Yep. 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey, don't shoot me.
Don't shoot me either, whoever that is.
Let
Motherfucker
them know that
can't.
we're rest
Hey,
right here.
left side, left side.
Oh, I see you. I see you.
Left side.
Nick and I are getting
man.
videotape and pictures.
Roger that. Just let them know that Jason and I are standing.
I'm gonna go up to the top of the road and
Hey,
get one.
there's 2 admins up right over there. Don't shoot them. Red and orange.
I say we wait out here until the time gets low. We're at 12 minutes, we should be about 13, 15.
You're at about 11 minutes right now. Maybe 11 to 10 minutes. I'm getting in here.
No, it's Andy.
And loving that scar. Alright, I'm moving.
So it is? Is it bro?
Watch out for the ref.
Make sure they are calling their hit.
I got it.
They're calling him. Tell them they're calling him.
They're calling him.
Well, let's hope so.
Sam, spawn's not contested, you know.
What?
Spawn isn't contested.
You think I'm gonna spawn in front of this shit?
Oh,
I'm not walking through that. They're shooting back and forth. I'm not walking through that.
run.
Dude, that's nuts. They'll just light
Run, Recon, run. Get a get one of those radar things from Battlefield 3 and just put it over there, so you can spawn and as a parachute.
I want to walk up so I don't get shot at.
Hey, just stand near that if you're not gonna spawn.
I don't want to walk through the firefight.
It's safe right now if you want to go.
Oh, it's not.
You see how dead man walking and run.
Hey, I'm walking out, guys. I'm walking out. Dead man walking!
You have to wait 8 minutes.
Dead man walking!
We do not want to plant yet. We don't want to plant yet.
I know, but I'm just saying, toss it here. Once 5 minutes hit, that bomb needs to be there. I'm going to closer than you can.
No, you can't.
If you're dead, you can't be revealing positions.
Dead men don't talk.
Somebody else has the bomb now. One other member of the tape team has the bomb right now. Repeat.
Right here, right here.
Roger that. Saw that.
What's that?
Okay, cool.
I feel like one of those combat photographers. This is awesome.
Yeah. See a good camera though. Loving that 416, dude.
There he is, right there.
Always wanted one, never had the money.
No, don't toss the bomb yet. We do not need
Had the money once, spent it.
The moment when we go to grab it, I'm gonna bump it with the riot shield. You best believe.
Hey, I'm coming behind. Try to hit him.
Twitter mids.
Y'all think,
In Soviet Russia, bomb plant, you.
Where's he from?
Well, this apparently isn't Soviet Russia.
Right over your shoulder. Is anyone on that right side? Yeah, we got 2 guys over here.
Alright, Austin, I think you might want to stop recording to get out of the way at least. Or at least come over to where I am and record near the flag, I guess.
Alright, moving up.
you're out of ammo, right?
Wow.
Don't shoot the admin.
Alright, ref is coming through. You guys get out of the way.